As the weekend begins, COVID cases keep soaring. During today's White House coronavirus briefing, we heard this outbreak now being described as the pandemic of the unvaccinated. This map was shown during the presentation comparing the transmission levels across the country from a month ago versus now. So much more red and orange in just a month's time. Today we learned 90% of all the COVID cases here in Jacksonville involve the highly contagious Delta variant. Florida now makes up 20% of the new cases in the entire nation.
Baker County has the highest rate of new infections per capita of any county in Florida. Nassau County has the second highest. Take a look at this graphic showing Duval County's cases each week. They've more than doubled since last week. You can see that tall green bar there, way there on the right. News for Jax reporter Jim Pickett begins our coverage live from UF Health with Sky 4. Jim?
You know, it's no secret that health officials say we are heading into some very dangerous times here because of these numbers. And what they're saying, that their emergency room is crowded, people are getting sicker, and they are very worried. That's why they're telling people you need to get vaccinated. And now some people are actually starting to listen. I recently met Brian Falkman, who's doing some work on my house, and today he said he's going to take time off to get the vaccine, not only for him, but for his 14-year-old son. His reason may sound familiar to some.
My wife's worried that one of us is going to catch it or contract it and bring it home, and we're just honestly tired of hearing her worried all the time. We're just going to go in and do it.
Despite the reasons, doctors are glad to see it happen, even though the vaccination rate in Jacksonville is still low, coupled with the fact that the more contagious Delta variant is now the prominent strain here.
The majority of cases that they're finding here locally in Jacksonville are in fact the Delta. When I say majority, more than 90% of these cases are being driven by Delta across the city. So it's not overall surprising that our hospital numbers are rapidly increasing.
And that's leading to something even more troubling.
We are starting to see mortalities. We had gone through a long period where we didn't have any deaths that were due to COVID-19, but that time is over.
Since July 1st, 20 people have died of COVID-19 at UF Health. The average age of those dying is now 59. We're told emergency departments across the city are being inundated with patients with COVID symptoms, and it's leaving hospitals stretched to the limit.
Our staff are getting burned out. Our staff are getting COVID in the community, just like the community members are, where we're really starting to struggle.
You know, one thing that's part of the problem is that 50% of the staff at local hospitals that are vaccinated, that means half of them aren't, and that's been a concern. So they're becoming sick as well. We're live at UF Health. Jim Pickett, Channel 4, the local station.
Well, Jim, with the newer strain, are the symptoms still the same?
Well, you know, I'm told those symptoms are somewhat different at times. You know, still people have trouble breathing. They're coming into the emergency room with that. But now we're hearing a lot of it has to do with cardio. They have like experiencing heart attack symptoms. So that's a little bit different. So this is definitely a more deadly strain of the virus.
All right, Jim, reporting live for us. Jim Pickett, thank you.